What's up? So I did that Mel thing yesterday. I don't know if I definitely haven't posted it yet or even edited, to be honest, but I really wanted to make something while I have a few minutes. I showed you that ghetto shitty little way I've had this little transistor tester thing powered. I wanted to, with the new case I got here, to power it, to put a power supply in it. So enter, got a battery, little Lipo battery. Size wise isn't too far off. Actually, it's almost perfect. Got the little TP4056. You can keep seeing these. They're nice. And a little boost converter, because I've got on the output here, on this output we've got the two that go to the battery on the inside right there. So I'm gonna either way, the outside two are the power outs, which will go to the boost converter, and the boost converter output will go to the transistor tester. So let's move some shit around and we'll start figuring out how we're gonna make this and how this piece of shit here gets put together. That's it. Nothing else. The fuck is this? Curious to know what the fuck that thing is. The new hardware that comes with it, whatever the fuck that is. Alright, so this is pretty easy to kind of pick out. Well, that doesn't fit there very nice, does it? It's like this is right on the inside of that little lip right there. We're gonna have to, we'll probably end up putting that on the bandsaw or something and cutting it back a little, because that's not very nice, is it? It's got the big opening here for this pad, which is just the 1, 2, and 3, as if these parts right here were on it. So let's put the bottom first. Yeah, this definitely is not gonna work with that. Just drop that down. Come on, you piece of shit. Cocksucker. Alright. I think it's all on. So, it doesn't sit, it sits real low right now. I don't know if it's easy for you guys to tell. Try not to glare it up too much in here with the lights, but anyways, it needs to lift up, and I think that's why it's got these new spacers here. Inside of this thing, when I got this transistor tester, it came with the hardware, just at least to get it lifted up. So we'll pull that hardware off and get ready to replace it, and then see how much space we have, if we have enough space under it to put everything. Definitely want to take some of that heat resistant tape and cover the whole bottom of this so nothing can short out to the battery or to the charge ports or whatever we're going to try and fit in under there. I really am not wanting to pull this tape and stuff off until last minute, but what the fuck is this for? Oh, I think I got a demon child trying to get in. It's not locked, Brightly. It shouldn't be locked. Oh, I guess it is locked. Hold on. Who's there?
Daddy, Daddy, can we go on the bike ride?
We will go on a bike ride, Brightly.
But
I gotta finish putting something together, though. Yeah?
Daddy, can I walk you?
Yeah. You wanna come up here? Try not to bump anything because there's a camera going right now. See? Yeah, like what is... Hey, you got to do it up here though. Reach forward and do it up here. What is this for though, Brightly?
Here.
In there? Yeah, so there's some little... on the sides of these ones. I'm assuming this goes right here, whichever way, and I don't know what the purpose of this
That's
is.
where you made tea.
Oh, just another beep beep toy. Okay, so that looks right, but what I don't get is for what purpose? It almost looks as if it's
A box. Or a house.
gonna sit right in between, almost like an isolation wall, but we know it's not gonna isolate anything.
Yeah. Take the iPad.
Is this supposed to be... I just don't get the purpose of it. I just don't get the purpose.
My finger.
Hey, why are you touching that?
Daddy.
Hey, look, you made it bouncy.
Yeah.
Alright, too difficult. Time out. Time out. You're
No.
breaking everything! Everything breaking! Okay, I think we've had enough of you! Okay. If you've seen anything scooch around, that's because I got a kid. Very difficult doing this with a kid, especially when you're doing like Tesla coil stuff and main stuff. My bench is real high, so either way, we gotta figure this out now. So I still don't know. You know what? We'll just start. I'm gonna put this on hold for 1 second and look up what I just bought and see what the fuck the purpose of this is for. Alright, we're back. So, I'll clip in the picture of what it shows on AliExpress and for what I bought. And there's a picture on there of another model where the side pieces are sloped, and this piece almost looks like it's a I mean, you look at the picture there, it's like it's supposed to hold this thing up at an angle. You gotta be just the right angle bedangle. But that's it's funny that there's still a slot here, and I wonder if it's similar, as in this is supposed to hold it up at an angle. Okay. So let's see how much space we have under it. So we'll go inches and then I'll switch it over to millimeters. So I'm just kind of guessing a little bit lower than the bottom because of the leads and stuff sticking down. So we're at maybe 3/4 of an inch, which is 19, pretty much 20 millimeters, 19.5 millimeters. So that's about how much space we have to work with under there. I'm just going to turn the power off, and we know that we got to keep everything within about that much. But I do know that this battery here is the perfect battery I have actually for this. I don't think I have a battery that would be any better for this than this one, or actually a lot of people, you know. It's perfect. I actually got this out of a little flashlight power bank thing that had really terrible shitty solar charge circuit in it. Actually didn't even have one. It had a little panel, but it was really ghetto. It's a 5-volt panel, like just pretty much directly charging this. So we got some space. So I know pretty quick off the bat I'm going to want this connected to the battery portion of the TP4056, but I do want to get some tape around it. Get out of the way. Move, bitch. I know I'm limited on space in there, but getting a good amount of tape around this thing I think is the best, since I'm going to have it kind of locked away and sitting with random different electronics. I think that's good enough. So I think unfortunately the best thing here is going to be to pull the, I hate pulling this off because you get fucking fingerprints all over shit, and you know, I don't want that to happen until it really needs to, but yeah, might as well put it all together. Tear it all off and I'll just clean it later. Oh, airplane. Also, I should point that out too. So, where I live in Hawaii, the main Honolulu airport, their, I guess you can call it their direction that they head to landing out at the airport over there, it puts their flight line pretty much over my home. I mean, I'm a block from the beach, so we get a lot of planes that go over. They're less bad at night. It's like if you were to have a train track next to your house, you get used to it, but when you're filming, it sucks because editing through those different noises is kind of difficult. Hence, a good camera would make it a little better too. Alright, so let's, how do we want to do this? Motherfucker. I say we go through the top portion first, which goes through the top right here. I'm assuming these go where I'm dropping them. Are these different lengths? Whoa, they're different lengths. Whoopsies. Now it's thoroughly confused. Not confused, I'm sure I have an idea how this is going to go. I believe this little cocksucker is going to bolt down on its standoffs to this portion, and I think I'm right. Let's see how well it fits here. It looks like it'd be pretty close. Even the AliExpress thing I ordered from them doesn't give very good details of this, especially since they show a picture of a different type in there. But this can't, yeah, that's how it goes. Get back over here. My wife just took the daughter to the beach so I can make something. You know when you get new shit, you're just anxious to make something, which is, again, like I said, hard when it comes to filming it because you know you can get it done a lot quicker without the filming. And then, you know, you don't have the next task of editing afterwards. So I think we definitely can screw this one on right now without having to worry about it. I need to figure this next part out, so we're gonna go, the battery does fit, thankfully, under there like that. I don't want to short anything right now. Yeah. Okay. That's an easy decision. So first things first, we need to we need to get this little power supply here set to 9 volts off the lithium battery. It's a little boost converter. Yeah, this stupid. See, I need a video camera. This you got like a time limit to recording, and it pisses me off. Okay. In just a moment, we'll show you guys the multimeter. So we'll turn voltmeter on real quick. I've got this Fluke 233, so I'm able to remove. Woo! Big magnet under there too. I'll just grab everything. Okay. Yeah, that's good enough. You can see it. So we'll hook up the negative and positive to this little lithium battery here. Alright, so it's at 8.5 volts right now. 9 volt battery is more than 9 volts, so we'll just kick it up a little bit past 9 volts. Sorry about my hand in the way, but okay. Let's do 9.5. That'll do. 9.58 volts. I like it. Alright, so I'm sorry if this is coming out a little blurry because I don't have this second screen to see how clear it is. You know, I just got the little LCD on the camera, so. So, we got the, this is VN portion. I'll stuff both of these pigs in here. Alright. So now we got the load out to the boost converter, which will go out into the mod. Hopefully this drive enough power to run that. I would assume it could, but you never know. So then we also need to hook up our battery. And we also need an output. We need more wire. We also got to see where we're going to put it too. So going underneath here, if we have the battery in this way, the output would be directly under. So we don't need a bunch of wire. Not a bunch, just a little bit. Even, you know what, better yet, if we flip, no, because this goes straight to the battery. I know we want the battery. Alright. Alright. I don't want to drag everyone through this. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to get all these wires, cut to the length I want, and then we'll hook it all together on there and move forward. Watch how fast I do this. Alright. This is where I just soldered some wires to the 9 volt input right there, which will come back out to this guy. So I got in positive and negative. I'm sorry, out positive and negative for this guy. Here's my out negative, out positive. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Beep. Now, one thing I'm wondering is if I should be putting a switch in here. You know, this thing, it kicks on and off as you press it, powers down, but I wonder what it draws when I don't use it. I wonder if that's a watchdog or something. I don't know. We'll see how it all fits. How about we just do it like this first? I don't think I'll be charging it a lot, so if I guess for the time being, if I have to open it up to charge it, so be it. So let's look up some power and see what happens. So since all that's hooked up, I mean, really right now, it should, and it does, turn on. How about a PNP? Let's use a PNP real fast. Make sure everything works. So. PJT, PNP, bada bing, bada boom. Emitter, base, collector, emitter, base, collector. Alright, so it works, and this thing does turn back off automatically, so I think for the time being we'll leave it like this and decide what we want to do a little bit later with the powering, the charging part. For the time being, I'm going to just close it all up like this, see how long it lasts. Okay, so we knew that this little cocksucker right here I'm glad I just looked. Okay, this guy's actually got to squeeze under the side. Before I slid it under this way, now it's got to go under this way. So what I want to do real quick is, again for the time being, for the sake of posting an incomplete video, alright, we're not going to do a charging portion, but we will tape these cocksuckers down. Oh no, I'm ruining it all. Okay, so now you will hear a child run in here in a moment.
Daddy, can you go on the bye-bye with me?
Pretty soon. Is it nap time almost, do you think?
No.
No?
Soon.
Soon.
Almost soon. Daddy, let me take my baby treat around and Disney chain.
Okay. Why don't you close my door, Brightly?
Huh?
You should close my door too.
Why?
Because. Alright. So now, of course, these portions. Now I wonder what, if I hooked up 9 volts to this portion, what would happen to the boost converter getting 9 volts pushed back at its butthole like that. It is not the most beautiful fit. We're gonna have to make some little adjustments here. Okay, it looks like it's got a good seat on that side now. You know, maybe I should have glued that battery down or something, but this is only semi-permanent because I still do want to find a which way I'm going to use for charging with how I'm going to connect that TP4556 to the outside world. So right now looks like everything's seated. no extra screws with this, so you better hope that you don't fuck one up or lose it, because they don't give one extra one. Like a lot of times when you buy this shit, there's always, they throw in an extra screw in there. So that's all in there. And the other thing we needed to do, so let's throw a transistor back in there. And it works. Everything works. Well, that's good. And you've also got the other options on here. Oh no, I fucked up. Oh, I fucked up. I'll do this real quick for everyone and pause it. I put this backwards. I need to flip that around. Fuck. I'll do it super quick. Alright. So then it works for now. I wonder what you're supposed to, what's the option for that piece right there? For the way it's padded like that. Big opening on the side. If it's supposed to be for some, I'm curious what that's supposed to be for. What can we put there? But no, it's asking what I want to do right now. Frequency, back color, front color, show data, switch off. Let's switch it off. Alright, so it does work though, with the knob where it sits. Alright, so for now, that's pretty good. We'll just leave it this way for now. We'll add on it to it later, maybe another video, or maybe not another video. Maybe I'll just show you in another video what I did. Who knows? Depends how my time is when I finally get to it. But at least for this way, it's by itself and looks better than what it did before. Definitely. Alright, let me know if you had any other ideas. Fuck, Jesus. Mahalo for watching.